Okay, so I'm just going to give you kind of a quick way you could use ChatGPT to help you kind of plan your experiment. So, for example, let's say I'm looking at the effects of papaya on protein digestion. Okay, so I found an article. If you ever tried to read these articles, they're really, really dense and hard to follow. So, what you can try to do is take the, this is what I did, um, take the article, and I always put it in and I asked here, can you read this? And it said, yes, you could read it. It gave me a little summary. Um, okay. And then so I asked here, sorry, it's really rough typing. I see a few typos there, but I told it kind of what I was doing a similar experiment on piping extraction that affects gelatin digestion, da 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 da. And I said, what information from this article can help me with my planning? Um, So it did that and it kind of went through and it gave me some good ideas, right? So this study found it had a much lower activity, da da da, pH affects this, um, but it says here like for papayan, it said between 6 and 8, so doing it kind of at 7 should be fine. So it gave me a whole bunch of things, it gave me some practical applications on how to design it, um, right? So it's useful. Then it asked me for a step-by-step experimental design. I wouldn't go that far because now you're using it. You're not using it for good. You're kind of using it for evil at this point. You might ask for some things you can consider or something along those lines. I wouldn't ask you to do a step by step. And plus, ChatGPT is not very good at it yet. Okay, so that's one way. And then I found another article, similar one. It kind of walked through this and it gave me actionable commands too. So this is a good way if you're thinking about like which control variables to take. So, for example, like one of the control variables may be the pH, right? Which pH should you run this enzyme at? 'Cause remember, every enzyme has an optimum pH. And now I can say 7, right? And I can reference this article saying when they ran this, they found that papayan extract with the enzymes had an optimum pH between 6 and 8. So I ran it at 7, right? That's justification for why you chose different things. It also says run it at controlled temperatures, keep on ice until use. There's a lot of very good things here that you can use to help you plan your experiment. Okay? So I'm just kind of showing you how this can help you do a little bit more research.